Oh, it's not a 2-story house. This is the attic that I can't go into. Yes, I can. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. I mean, Bubba. You really gonna do me like that, huh? You really gonna do me like that? You even cut out the picture in a heart shape, and it's a whole fridge with a lock on it. Bro, what? Hey, W Devs, though, not gonna lie, that's funny. Not gonna lie, that's funny right there, W Devs. The whole fridge with a lock on it. When I first walked up here, I thought it was like there's gonna be a body in there. There could still be. I don't